friends. As we all know, COVID-19 has blocked the mind of people and have completely controlled them by enjoying the beauty of the nature because they all are afraid of the infection. Don't worry friends, Inclusive Globe is here and we have organized an accessible tour for differently abled and sighted friends too with proper guidelines of COVID-19. Here is 2 days and 1 night tour plan to Coorg, which is located in Karnataka. This place is famous for natural beauty, mountains, dams and temples. If you are a nature lover and a traveler, so this place is for you where you can enjoy the nature and relax yourself. Coorg is also famous for biggest coffee plantation. Friends, we are also very happy to tell you that this is our second trip to Coorg. Last time we explored the same place with visually challenged friends and as well as sighted friends where we enjoyed a lot. So we have again planned and we are all very excited to take you to Coorg in the 4th week of November from Bangalore to Coorg with very affordable price rupees 3,800 all inclusive. So book your seats before 15th of November. If you have any queries, please feel free to call us on 9844235326.